Hi friends, this video shows how to make text easier to read with high contrast. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to display, tap here. Then tap on display size and text. Go down. Here you can see high contrast text option. Let me enable it and check. Tap here. See, now you can see the high contrast text. You can enable this, then you can check it. If it's useful, you can keep this change. Otherwise, you can just tap here and disable it. So this way we can enable or disable high contrast text. So this would be very useful, and this will make you can easily read if you enable this. If you have some vision problem, you can just enable it and check. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.